Hi, my name is Diane McSorley, and I'm with ACS Learning. I'm here to share a quick tip. These tips are under 2 minutes in length and are designed to help you work smarter, not harder. Let's get started. Today's tip is using checkboxes to select files in File Explorer. So let me bring up File Explorer. And maybe you've experienced this. I know I sure have. Yes, when I've been going through and selecting files, right? I need to pick this one and control click on this one. And I need to control click on another and oh no, right? It happens. So what we've got the ability to do now, there's little checkboxes here. So you can select the checkboxes, picking the files that you want. A little bit easier and really, really nice when you go, ooh, I didn't mean to pick that one, unselect it. Now, these little checkboxes, let me click away. They're kind of invisible, so if you don't know they're there, you might not realize it. But if I hover in that column, they show up. If you're hovering and you're not seeing them, you'll go to the View menu, down to Show, and make sure Item Checkboxes is selected. And then they're there, not only in Details view, but in all of your views. Hover, check, check. Try it out. I hope you found this tip helpful, and I look forward to seeing you in the next tip. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.